So I recently did a video about keycaps and replacing the keycaps on my keyboard. After I did that video, I had a company called Keytok reach out to me, and they wanted to send me a set of their custom keycaps. And I said, sure, absolutely. Cause I have just been absolutely addicted to keyboards and keycaps and things of that nature. But they sent me the Wandering Earth 2 set, which is what I requested. And we're going to show you what they look like on the Unity AL66 keyboard, which I did a video about just recently as well. I'll leave a link up here at the top if you want to check that video out about that keyboard. But we're going to go through here, show you what the keycaps look like, and we're going to tell you a little bit about them. And if you want to pick up some for your own self, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can get your own set of custom keycaps for your keyboard. So here we are on the Keytok website, and they have a wide selection of keycaps available to you. In the event you want to grab some for yourself, we've got our Black Classic Godzilla, and they are relatively inexpensive for the most part. We've got some, cheaper aspects of it, and then we've got, the Black Classic Godzilla low profile set. We've got the Wandering Earth 2 set, which is what I currently have, and it is a sci-fi themed set. I really like the way it looks. So as you can see here, a little bit of better view of it, but we'll show you more of it as we go through the video as well. But you can pick them all up. You can pay with PayPal. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Keycaps are really high quality, so you don't have to worry about them messing up, rubbing off the facing of them or anything like that. But a really nice selection of keycaps that are available to you. You got a, cherry profile, the triple X ones, but just a whole host of different setups that you can choose from, all sorts of different profiles that are available to you for, these keycaps. But yeah, these are the selection of them. But anyway, let's jump up here. Let's get the keys off of my old keyboard, my AL66, and put these Wandering Earth 2 keys on there, and we'll show you what the final result looks like when we get finished. So here is the Wandering Earth 2 key set. As you can see, it comes in a really nice box. The packaging is done really well. There is the AL66 keyboard that I will be placing the keycaps on, and we have 3 trays of keycaps from anything from a small keyboard like the 65% keyboard that I'm currently using, all the way up to a 108 keyboard, and even beyond that, because they offer so many different options, different keycaps that come included in this kit. So it's going to cover every aspect of your keyboard. They have multiple variable sizes of space bars and also enter keys as well. So some really nice options available, so they should be able to cover just about any keyboard out there that you have, and they are really nice and really high material as well. So here we have the Unity AL66 keyboard, and this is what it looks like without the custom keycap. We're going to be taking all these off, replacing them with the Wandering Earth 2 set. If you want to check out the review I did for the AL66, be sure to check it out. As I said, I'll leave a link in the description for it. That way you can take a watch of it. But anyway, this is what the keyboard looks like. We're going to fast forward through a lot of this and get these keycaps on this keyboard, and so you can see the final result. So each keycap kit comes with its own key puller. Had a little bit of difficulty for the larger keys, so I ended up swapping to a different key puller halfway through the video. But keycaps fit on here very nicely, and as you can see right there, we've got our backspace key already in place, and we're going to go through the process of removing all the keys, replacing the new keys on there, and then we're going to show you the final product once all the keycaps have been removed. And we'll skip ahead. That way you don't have to watch the entire process of pulling keycaps. So we'll make it quick for you guys. So getting that first keycap off right there, and then we're going to go through and replace every single one of them. Okay, so let's get to pulling some keycaps, and we'll show you the final product once we get all these keycaps removed off here. But as you see right here, we swapped switches. They've got low profile switches in here as well, and some higher profile ones. If you notice, the backspace key is a little bit taller than the rest of the keys, and I chose this one out of the set for that specific reason. That way I can, press that backspace key very easily. But going through here, keycaps came off really nice. It comes with its own key puller, but we ended up swapping to a different style of key puller as we go through the video, as you can see in just a few minutes. But it was super simple to take all these original keycaps off, replace them with the ones from the Wandering Earth 2 set, and I think overall once it is done, it looks absolutely amazing. I love the style of these buttons. I ended up replacing the escape key again because I wanted something a little bit different instead of having the just standard escape key with the ESC on it, and we replaced it with one of the other custom caps that were inside of the kit as well. And as you see here, it made a lot of difference just going through here, replacing all those keycaps, and we have a really nice, and I'm gonna be honest with you, a beautiful set of keycaps that you can use for your keyboard. Again, if you want to pick them up for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link for Amazon, also one for their website as well. But I think they fit really nice in the aesthetic for this keyboard. The sci-fi theme is something for me because I like sci-fi. I'm a big fan of sci-fi fantasy, anything's of those nature. But this keyboard turned out looking so nice, and it really didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take because originally doing this for the first time, I'd never done it before, and it took us a little bit of time. But this is the second time we replaced keycaps on the keyboard, so we're a little bit more familiar with it. But yeah, replacing all these keycaps, all these uh, with custom ones, and there we go. And that is the final result of what the keyboard looks like with the Warning Earth 2 set on our AL66, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Even without really pass-through lighting, it still turned out really nice. So as you can see, just by switching the keycaps, it changes the whole aesthetic of the way the keyboard looks. And I absolutely love the design. The material quality is really nice on these keycaps as well. So if you want to pick up a set for your keyboard, not just these, but if you like custom keycaps and want to do something a little bit different with your keyboard, be sure to grab your own set from Keytok. Again, links in the description if you want to grab, any of those sets that are available on their website or on Amazon as well. Again, those will be affiliate links, and so I will earn a little bit of commission if you use my link to buy those keycaps. But anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy these types of things about keycaps, keyboards, because I really enjoy doing these things. But anyway, as always, much love, and we'll see you next time.